Welcome to Data Labs, the podcast where we at BizTory share bite-sized tips and insights on data and analytics. I'm your host, Mark, and in this episode, we're diving into the Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. We'll cover the challenges of traditional data warehouses and how Snowflake offers a robust, scalable alternative solution in the cloud. Let's get started. So why Snowflake? Or any cloud data warehouse for that matter? These days, businesses are generating and accessing an insane amount and variety of data. It's pretty mind-blowing. We've said it before and we'll say it again. Data is no longer the new gold. It's everywhere these days and has become a commodity. Traditional data warehouses simply cannot handle the scale and complexity of this data, leading to slower performance, higher costs, and limited functionality. Platforms like Snowflake Data Cloud tackle these problems head-on. As a true cloud-first solution, Snowflake can fully leverage the cloud's scalability, elasticity, and cost efficiency. So, let's talk about how Snowflake works first, before we cover some of its main benefits. Snowflake's architecture is designed to separate storage and compute, which enables users to scale each independently. Data is stored in a central data repository, and queries are processed using virtual warehouses, which are composed of multiple compute nodes. These virtual warehouses can be scaled up or down on demand, providing users with the ability to scale their compute resources as needed. Snowflake's unique architecture also allows for workload isolation, preventing resource contention and enabling users to scale only what is needed. This unique multi-cluster shared data architecture exists of three distinct layers. The first layer is the storage layer. This layer handles data storage and is managed by Snowflake. Data is organized in their internal optimized, compressed, columnar format. The second layer is the compute layer. The compute layer processes queries using virtual warehouses, which are MPP compute clusters, composed of multiple compute nodes allocated by Snowflake. They are independent and do not share compute resources with other virtual warehouses. The third and final layer is the cloud services layer. The cloud services layer provides a collection of services that coordinate activities across Snowflake, including authentication, infrastructure management, metadata management, query parsing and optimization, and access control. All three layers of Snowflake's architecture are deployed and managed entirely on a selected cloud platform, AWS, GCP, or Azure, of your choice within a region. To summarize how Snowflake works, Snowflake revolutionizes data handling by separating storage and compute, allowing each to scale independently. Data is stored centrally, queries are processed via virtual warehouses, and a cloud services layer manages infrastructure, optimizing performance and scalability. That's one of the main things we at BizTory absolutely love about Snowflake. But there are definitely other features and benefits that will bring a smile to your face too. The first one is centralized data storage. Snowflake uses a centralized data storage architecture where persisted data is accessible from all compute nodes in the platform. Data is stored in only one place, so it can be more effectively managed and accessed. Centralizing data increases collaboration among teams and ensures that everyone has access to validated, complete data sets, leaving only one source of truth, ensuring that all current, relevant data is immediately accessible for queries. Secondly, you've got elasticity. Snowflake's architecture separates compute and storage, enabling users to scale both resources independently, providing the flexibility to increase or decrease the resources according to different workload scenarios. Users can add or resize nodes instantly through elastic storage and compute. And because everything in Snowflake is virtual, this means that we are not physically setting up nodes. We don't have to provision and install them. This ensures quick and efficient scaling and avoids unnecessary costs. The high level of concurrency enables multiple users to run queries at the same time. This process is called scaling out, using multi-cluster virtual warehouses, which can automatically scale if the number of users and/or queries tends to fluctuate. It is done by adding more machines to spread out the load. Adding separate warehouses for separate purposes, like production versus ETL versus sandbox, is also an example of scaling out. And also, the load and query performance is great. It is designed to handle both structured and semi-structured data, and its architecture is optimized for high performance and speed, leveraging multiple virtual warehouses, automatic query optimization, cluster tuning, and micro-partitions for faster query processing. Next, let's talk about security and governance for a bit. Security is a top priority, with various security measures in place to protect user data. Snowflake encrypts data in transit and at rest, meaning that data is confidential and secure from unauthorized access, both while it's being transferred over the internet and while it's stored on Snowflake's servers. Regarding control access, Snowflake uses a role-based access control, RBAC model, where access is granted to specific roles and users are assigned to those roles. Each role can have its own set of permissions that allow or restrict access to various resources within Snowflake. Snowflake also provides compliance with various regulatory requirements, including SOC 2 Type 2, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. When it comes to governance and metadata management, Snowflake's data governance and metadata management features enable users to manage permissions and comply with regulatory requirements. It supports role-based access control, as mentioned previously, which allows for granular control over data access. For metadata management, Snowflake provides two locations for accessing metadata views: the information schema available in each database of the Snowflake account, and the account usage schema in the Snowflake database, available in all Snowflake accounts. When you wrap all of those benefits and features up into a nice and very user-friendly UX, you'll get why Snowflake is one of the leading solutions for cloud data warehousing today. Snowflake's Cloud Data Warehouse not only meets the modern demands of data storage and analysis, but surpasses them, providing a flexible, powerful solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're starting out or scaling up, Snowflake adapts to your needs, empowering your data-driven decisions. Thanks for joining us on Data Labs. Dive deeper into the capabilities of Snowflake and how it can transform your data strategy by checking out the full blog post at BizTory. Tune in next time for more insights into the world of data.